Now I don't know why you own your bema. Oh, never change too much that. And they have for say, your friend saying, Kevin Taylor and Tina Wokasa. Now, why is one there? Yes, by anyway, that's it. Rabani, matching. Na bibi aboko there. Super. Your friend saying? Joseph Blankson Edumaze. And the former Central Jamison over Ezekiel Edumaze. Who offer? And now, oh, Papa, no, but no details in here. The details, no, Papa. All right. Now we are doing
Electoral Commission head office.
Electoral Commission head office.
Database administrator.
Electoral Commission, what is so head office one? We are database administrator. One and now we are database leader. Jamie, I don't know answer.
Hey, man.
It's na mo database no. Then mo database administrator. No way to papa say.
Over query data. And you have data for elections.
Data bear.
Voters data.
Enti nipa do do beto aba nipa to ye ballot essay ye de bibia ye go bia mo na mo bobo anu asama me na be kan
IT department
wo na we administrator
ye dosu
mo dosu but we administrator. Wow, why you joining fee say
from 2012 January up to now in 15 and 14 years.
Hey, what?
2012
January 2012
13 years.
13.
So that's all.
That's all.
What that's more easy.
But it's here the more interdiction. For me, you need the more interdiction.
If you 2012 no why administrator na be say na ya yen kasa. Wow, the when easy for do say na ya adwuma akasefo na ya meka
Afaijan.
When Afaijan ya adwuma
Afaijan chalo say na kan Mami de Mensa.
So no me say na ya adwuma.
Yes.
Ni na we administrator. Wow. Okay. It's any private to abano do you say Central you say Western you say Greater Accra you say Ayamoa.
Yeah, and yes I do.
And I want to hear you say ballot no they say Washington region you say Nina Ayamoa.
Yeah, and yes I do.
It's just a mona moye bibia o na mpanifo na bebo so. Now then, who a laptop? My men say something in the microphone. Say so. Bekaya, we shall find Tom say easy. SN laptops are the year tuma. Biometric verification. Den. Nina Samfidi no. Electoral Commission say Ayra. Ayra na wa. Yes, your papa we ho. Say there say one pound. Say nini ho. Say ye den. He will tell the story.
Chairman, on the 12th of March 2025, we are Electoral Commission for Agasamoyi. And on the press release at the buyer. No more can say some questions. No more no. Now number 7 of the question or say number 6 or say can the stolen laptops from the biometric voter registration case affect the outcome of the elections? It's your more question or more answer. But initially no must be behind your eye. We share question 1 now. Almost say, what prompted today's press conference by the Electoral Commission? As the press conference was called to address allegations made by the minority leader regarding the theft of 7 biometric verification devices from the Electoral Commission's store, which the Commission states are not true. It's a way there just to confirm their work and say, on the 12th of March 2025, Addo yes our press conference we Addo clarify our name winti. Chairman, what be some question there? Young trustworthy.
Okay, that's on the 16th of March 2024.
16th March 2024.
Me Electoral Commission the whole Ghana. Your offices or outlets in all the districts in Ghana, and there were 8 union executives. I'm one of them.
Okay.
Yes, intino your committee na your casafa staff no welfare almost kasem me kan na your kosa meeting na. And so I am very, very vocal when it comes to those meetings. Intino me hu ensem de Addo. And see on the 16th of March 2024 and you call union for your call meeting of Petra funds. You could be a electoral commission for esikasem omo pension ho asem e Petra. Fitiana pa up to a year 4. Until your point I'm bedu office 4:30 no. And I'm national security operatives by my office say I'm from national security na yesi me wia laptops mako 5.
There be who was saying about say national security for be found.
Me committee anapa no.
Okay.
Until me bedu office almost 4. Fi Petra, that is at Jolu, or head office. And to me do officer na national security office come family one Akufo because yapon 4:30 yapon. Mitna see me pack me lot of year national security officer say your family national security na me wia laptops. I'm say me fa hwe. I'm say there be me do her they will explain. So me someone say me pin drive video mo na mo say na me drive video mo chi. And I corner you do her na mo say side ya. I'm be lock me. Until no I should call my mother. Na me chance me wa ha. And I'm say okay. So omo kan sa pe me friend me lawyer instead of mommy. It's me yes I me friend lawyer na just so now can bro for no mo say no. I say boys we enye
Oba
yes. I want to push me ball from one of the operative. O pushing ball from
national security for
national security no or G phone if me say
who the day
minimum day pa.
But the day what the ball for?
Timbala. The friend Timbala. Timbala.
Yes, boy, what up no?
Similar ball with form.
O push me.
So you say
yes, o push me na me koto na.
Obey you say.
Yes, and o G
Afra
G phone say oh I told you to call your mother and I will friend a lawyer. Aden why should you call your lawyer? And I'm say but so we say me lock him here. At least I have to call my lawyer. Gidi and o G me say and I'm call lock him. And so me lock him here. Best 6 days na me share. Ya lock him or national security 6 days.
6 days.
6 days. Even on the 6th day no me parents na me lawyer and me other me nuanom ne omo husbands e electoral commission say omo ntime nka be 6 days ni na ha no be adwuma ntime be say me ho na say me ni ho omo ba ha no commission as in me ka say commissioner say ho no mo come ho omo say omo ni me worry about omo ni me ya ho nti HR na ka che me parents me lawyer say omo ko national security na omba no wo ho
ti omo de share ho no omo de share bonka de mu ana say
bonka no be
omo ko bonka de mu
omo lock
classmates
omo lock me
omo ko yi aben o bonka no ko yi aben
2024
omo ko 2024 no ma ko ba ko ba o ko March oh me November 2023 me ko bonka say o cinema oh we are Nigeria
Chairman, would me patrol before so beto aso no. Before say national security for babe friend. Na you see a complain some laptops are here na.
No omo
bi anka he say na
no obi anka he omo nka he. Enti no omo fa me call no. Me parents call electoral commission omo say o they omo ni me worry about. Enti HR na yi omo asutre say mpacho mo de mo national security am ban wo.
Enti na what them 6 days.
6 days, yes, 6 days.
EFCC bonka dem.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey.
Exactly.
When your mattress.
Dabi.
Yes, so yes no.
Amu so yes ni so. I want to control it sisa. Anopa enwumere wo dem sa.
Ombre we aduane.
Aduane omo de buy na me ndi na me.
Ombre wo nsu.
6 days.
Yes, 6 days.
To the unya esi no.
Esi ni so ye ndum ye wa ndum wa so ntumi.
Ye ma single room na akoto nkrofo ho.
Na nkofo be so ho.
Na nkofo ho. Hu kokofo no.
Dabi.
Hu kokofo no. Hu kotutuntum fo no kwa. Omu na katwi.
Na me nso da nyom nka sa.
Wendi nkomo ho.
Me na ma so ayeshi.
Your first time obonka ni.
Yes.
Oh, sentra o nya be ma. Okay, 6 days.
6 days. Into on the 6th day no. Na me parents HR na catch some national security no. Omo ba ha ampa e se no mo yedede okra nti omo yedede ho na ye release him that day na anajo e no mo ka say
o parents be yedede ho
omo ba
so mo release you
and no mo release me omo ne me lawyer kan ho.
Wow.
nti omo yima na adwo nom ka kyerɛ me say every 3 days they are report to national security. Me report is for 2 months. Nti last day I make report on Friday. And I Timbela catch them say, and not only the operatives no. Or catch them say, me issue no cry. What is really wrong with the issue? Because your friend no man pressure say your uncle prosecuting me.
Or not Timbela name say.
Your friend man pressure uncle. Now I didn't my year commissioner no. My day.
Why obsessor then why commissioner?
My year commissioner.
Commissioner be answer no okay.
Commissioner ba ko pe madam.
Mensa.
So the commissioner. Nti na me say me nya na hwe and na say me call office. Me ye me adwuma. Union meetings, me call meetings. Me normal staff. I said the pressure coming here I know too much. Nti omo no omo catch them omo to me handle because they can't prosecute me without any evidence. Nti ya mama order say omo to me prosecute me there. I'm from Kuma police headquarters.
Okay.
Nti na o catch me wiane say ye do be call Akuma police for. Na ye do kwa nyabotre ma nya gidigidi. De o meka bia de yoma no. Se na me ne omo ye wa ha na nti no. A ma nya gidigidi no. Me kwa ma me nsuro na me smart me dase. Nti ampa wi na omo de ye koe. E na police for the kuma Accra regional commander. Na ye do one as already akama asem catch ne da. Who now when I feel blanks no foolish boy he tibasabi.
Regional police commander.
Yes.
What kind of thing?
Brief in
your choirs away bano.
Yes, your choirs now you are
in the cotton nano.
Or a tinting kasi upon a regional commander. We do boy no ni blanksin we he tibasabi when I would din some phone letter commission na so menya hwe go and lock him.
Just like that.
Yes. And omo dem call railways omo the handcuff go Mensa.
6 days na you do regional police headquarters and the regional commander say
yes.
Police boy go and lock him.
Yes.
Now what's your call lock him?
And handcuff go Mensa na omo dem nante.
I'm sure the IGP is listening.
Omo dem nante fa Accra Makola Mbani mu.
Oh, na handcuff that one sir.
That Mensa and ye na mu sa.
So I'm from.
Yes. And I dem call railways police station. Now I'm call lock him for 2 days.
Also the 2 days. The 8 days.
8 days.
Until 6 days no yetro one was.
Omo no say omo tro baby but omo mbisa me asempa bia.
But omo tro baby for ho.
Omo antro hwe.
Until also go the 2 days
2 days. Me go the 2 days wo ho. Until ho me ho na me lawyer ba ho. Ono ka chance ma me worry or ye ama me bill. Until me ho the second day no enyemeru na oba say me bill I ready but the next day ba na ya process no. Inti ampa next day no on the third day no na me fi wanti na ma kan na 3 days and na police ni taking me fingerprints trust statement be brave and no mo jama na adwo no be say 11 o'clock almost 12
e ja wa na adwo 11
and adwo pa
tu kwa na ye yambo
enyumre pa be say 11 and na me lawyer otwen ma me twen papa o mu na tena otwen sa in terms say kwa na fi police headquarters regional headquarters so last and na me call fi in terms so na me report every 2 weeks but me call in the next day no the next day na you processing for court.
Who did 8 days?
Yes.
Oba ya de chen na
on processing for
court.
Okay. Yes. And I didn't call court than Suman Circuit Court. The Eslowu see what than Suman Circuit on. Enti ye de me call no judge no ye am say oyen kremoni. Ye de me call na me lawyer e ka say Abranti we say na yes why. Now I done national security 6 days. I bet that Accra fence and railways 2 days. Enti opamcho omo man nko fie. Judge nso deny me bail. Am I dey me 2 months that 2 weeks.
You remanded with 2 weeks.
Yes, a ministry's police station. Me dem 2 weeks for her. Ni nas na ye court. Enti no me dem wo so na onya bail ma me no. Yes, me lawyer no requested bail dance master because almost deny. Inti afide no afet the call Accra High Court. Ene ma me bail without a dance master court knowing. Inti ye call court the next month no. My minister so catch and say if I come back, yen release me. And now my lawyer catch and say he has already gotten a bail from High Court. Inti no ye process your bail fee. And now prosecutor say ni bufu ye ade na ma me bail. Na a best investigation, this and that, they shouldn't have given me bail. No problem. They call on process bail this week as well. It took 3 days as na Accra regional commander signed bail no. me nya be oni we no first day me lawyer call no one sign second day one sign
you also kind of DM me o
fire
Accra Regional
oh na say you person nya be nya sisi to the man story no
first day
one sign
okay. Second one sign but according to me lawyer no say me nya be ni panka yesen ka CID regional director na say no sign but according no say o ka tell say sa asem we dey on to me and sign the Yenkohu regional commander
Pontiac pilots
or see we dey on to me sign nti okọ commander on one sign first day second day one sign third day na me lawyer threaten say obesiu omo e na osign man
GH boy dey no bia
e na osign man nti osign man no
yes so tembela kro ya dey no so o man sign
oza
osign man no e na process no mu yimi ya court for since May up to January 2025 ECNC court order EC when there's no
May 2024
yes up to January 2025
EC amba court
when see court order last day and prosecutor Becareful madam judge say EC said they are not interested in the case again
her
What's the easy say?
From May 2024, ABC January 2025, no. And our prosecutor no be catch court and say ECC on
interested. No longer interested in the case again. Now we no tama yedeme call national security no. And deputy commissioner for finance or sending me interdiction letter through WhatsApp.
What's that?
Deputy a commissioner for finance or letter no and or signing and or sending international letter through WhatsApp WhatsApp.
Easy interdictile.
Yes.
Say I chose where we are
laptops 5. Almost almost brand new laptops 5. Maybe
okay. Now yeah, interdictile no. Yeah, file letter na show one
there be.
Intimacy the we need hard copy.
I mean hard copy.
Yes, sign letter no. We try the picture. Now your WhatsApp him out.
Yes, no. Bossman, me say bossman,
sorry,
deputy commissioner for finance.
Or
send him a copy our WhatsApp.
Oh, phone so. Interdiction letter no.
Me masina mom.
Oh, what's the name? Sir, me and answer na Kwame.
I'm say one.
Okay. Oh, okay. Wow.
Until tell me you no. You na yes report 2 weeks no. Call back to the office now.
Baby, from there, national security operative no pick him no. HR friend me mama one says mama see officer not even is it not 200 yards away when they see me 200 yards away from the officer.
They shouldn't see you.
Yes, they will rearrest me. That's what she said.
Okay, so now tell me. When are we at laptops?
We are laptop yeah.
Sir, biometric voting
many African ejuma for years. Many shall say ejuma for years. I was easy me a union divisional executive, me a youth chairman. Me committees, you need fair wages, board a chairman, in penny for committees they bring. And I'm a age manager. Your current commissioners, no, 2 of them, about 2 more, except the commissioner for operation. Tete. Or no,
I can number
2 with Mama.
Now, yes, we are laptops, no. Now, what for Kutikwa Suma, we are Banama will be. Laptops and then new
enemy was Sana Masomete, sent me demono, and I met 2 news, they be an Omoba TV so, send me we are the Kubia Abama Mobi, which is not possible. Elections are won at the polling stations, or who result at who the echo. And see almost my father,
to me, we have them.
To me, we have them.
Go for the rest of the apart from who?
2, almost in 4. They are 1 is a security at the EC and then 3 are casual laborers. Say about say yes, sãcked and no more dra. And I only have from my business and I eat Intino almost say na many officer, almost say machines 5 ira. And no more sa go for fee akobom search. na omo hu hwe de omo hu ni ye won say 2012 na started biometric Ghana has it Interfaja na procure those first machines and then 2016 they've all become obsolete. You can't obsolete machines ni na say printer wom ni na say enti no commissioner ni wana abanje Mensa bae no say wom na say enti no oma EPA for some person enco destroy no. You know with the IT no so we person o say IT equipment now so we follow omo ISO standard. You can't just dispose the laptop like that. So oma EPA for befa no mo dispose in the proper way. Into mo person ni na so omo ko say no. Na no na casual laborers no. You see no they are those young boys omo nti. Obi ha o ye ko say ne de ma me hwese printer be edwuma na ma repair se be dwonam de ma de ofi. And omo hu old printer which is 2012 model afajan time ba ko pe e wo one security officer efi.
Oh, I see.
And okay say when they were packing them for EPA to go and destroy them no, I asked Mr. Blanson for permission to take one.
Obisa permission free.
Me ho say we fa on for back.
And I granted the permission.
Then me when bisa me people when bisa me bia but I don't know say bia obo me din say me ye union executive ni so obo me din bia omonya na hwe.
Ah,
Which is not even true. So and almost say me din abem dey on pick me up. But because omo nim pass because I'm very vocal as a union executive. Ye pini me atwo da.
Pacho. Mo machines wonni mu pa ho.
Me nim pa.
Na wonni mu pa.
Me nim pa.
Obedi bibia ye kululu outimi hu.
We between yes. Me nim pa. Ye ho adwuma sa anti Madam Jane and then for buy a bar as ya appointed Omonokano. The crew they even brought to we have to take them through the processes for them to understand the processes. And some say omo ye edwuma up and down every day.
Jane mo buy no.
Yes, or they call for buy the consultants nearby no. Consultant Karim. Your friend Karim consultant. Karim.
No nimu.
No omo nimu. Yen IT for
consultant na yisi ko fa buy no.
Yen na ye omo call through the process. Yes.
Kadabi hwe manim na kabi.
Omo ba.
Hey, ke wo nyamtre. We live in a certain country. Easy. Karim na omo fa no mutual several millions of Ghana cedis no. Oba ye na ade na oye consultant na onimu.
Won say a system na wo no. Ombe hia nimje kakra wo hands na masa se mutumi ye hu adwuma. Enti we mu ye nsen, we mu ye nsen, we aya mo de to hin, we mu ye nsen. Enti ya na echechero mu a omo hu mu wi a no mo take full over na ja ya pe bibi ya kan.
Ti se mo wrong apart. Come the wrong upon be.
Enti no omo ba kra fresh ka ya na ye bo am ate se de me kire say ye bo am kran mo te system na ase. Omo ti ase wi ya and then this is what
okay, machines also unimu.
Yes.
Traceable.
Machines no unless say our online and be traceable but once ye registration na we can do either offline registration or say online registration. So if it is online it becomes traceable because they all have unique addresses and names here numbers no way. So you can trace them. But like say any online they are not offline.
You want to be
trace.
Nti mona mo take consultant no. Nti mo wie ye no omo yi mu fi hu ana omo ma mo so mo ka ho bi.
Yeah, can be, but I mean the important part of the work.
Frontline workers.
And omo ye the say en person be hu ha na omo ye the hu hia no. Na ja. En
person be hu, en person be hu.
Exactly. So
mo lie be na wo ho. Then we nim say lie wo ho. Say e be to aba. Ananti nka.
And no dey.
But I lie wo ho.
What's that? Yeah, we are not fully in charge in the lie. How they me name say lie.
Oh, we don't no problem. Me name say we nimba onka. And then you we one kakura nya wow. Eti sa laptops no. Say o mo hu ana o mu hu.
This say bisom.
Say bisom.
But do you have any idea of
why in a fire?
Na
laptops no. Those laptops can Akufo abba several times. And as a Akufo sometimes no, they are once there's some registration on field I almost me contact our center almost me say be a bit to me due to violence at the police station registration centers. And anything can happen there. And there could be say a kid can come to a kid, some kid no. OBS, it has different components. They have the laptop, the hand scanner, and those things. Everything about head officer, laptop and encounter a buy. So anything can happen during transit from the.
But say a a laptop on Kahua, any of the kids that been Kahua, there should be a written report.
Yes, that's about because I won't check it. It is recently when a CVA and I said I'm starting to check it. In Tebaka, I won't check it.
When they in charge of those laptops, say be a Yakwakoji machine way, and they're free. Obi ho no mo dia ba na ye sanso return ya when they in charge
there are people there from in charge your storekeeper or you in charge of the store itself
different say
your store management me share that nyomunye because I don't me net technician and I'm
from the man ko fa store sir what tro
yes yeah I'm for say
ba ko fa laptops and I say go friend say
BVR
kit no do do say na ma fa JB afa say GH afa say captain afa say obi a enter
omo enter
into then you be say bia na ye hu ni profile
e ba so omo enter say bia bimbela ya returning yen 17 am de man ya fully intact
and bia ira
yes because any if any way bill into ni na no omo enter enti I don't know why am ka say bia ira after them mo be chi me akose me na ma fa laptops enye nekre da.
To the best of your knowledge, laptop will be
I don't know where it is. And then me in charge of the laptops at the stores. And I'm assuming who's a BBI.
Sir, may iPad yes hey. And then Samsung you cry ira. Ubetimia ADHD attract it. Na che say yana. Na wa kon wetimi ahwehwe bibia na bibia tibia totodi. But I don't know. I say I am one kakra say electoral commission bit I say the laptop I need any tracking device be able to be tracking.
I don't know for them but
IT department
but there's no tracking way for me absolutely me what they mean say track it because you're in tracking without that.
Okay. When you then am disposing of laptops am pay BV, arcades, how do you dispose them?
It has happened only once. That is the new commissioner time. Offer EPA for some best sanko and co disposing. Into parking in that is when they were parking. Parking in tracks was moving up and it's a lot, almost 7,000 and we piece the doors. Into park almost now they come warehouse so that is
those ones where they knew the Irano mono.
The iron almost there, mono, almost new ones, no, yes. New ones, no. Me say my name because almost quite my main count. And sometimes when they even want to add me to the cabinet, we catch them saying, me boss of office. So, Okase blanks in go and help them fix or an answer for cost by I see one. Me catch the women because me machines me pen with my.
But wait to supervise.
But any couple, I even tell you I don't want to go. And then people, I have evidence. People who can glance in the occasion on conquer machine with my eye on person record. Because my name is because Okope is because of Wafa baby. We are now on fire. And I'm saying the rule.
I say the chronotomoso.
Yeah, before I make call easy, no. Maybe continue to say the mark national security that. But and the job na the same day.
After that, they open. Now we are near the summer to soon tonight. I say commercial was
because me union executive, me national executive. Into say divisional. Into say your core meetings ana me to tomorrow sana. Na me why he me aminim because most of you staffs not there. Because they can't fight for anything. And most of them when we go for meeting now. Your union from the fighting master staff now. I say ya fire one time. And tonight, my name been put in tonight and per se. But the moment Ben them on bet me I say why I say that. And so I was not surprised when they tell him that I've stolen 5 laptops. I was not surprised.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you were not surprised.
I was not surprised. So interdiction letter and buy and allowances me seek as a now. Yes, I've been home for.
See what way?
Messi last week. Messi last week na Messi Messi last week.
Oh, what the damages car?
Nina, but me lawyer na ni now.
You see what mobile say?
Just me lawyer na be but I just have to check cross check and see what.
Oh, bra. I am a munye do na.
Enti from April May or up to endamete here.
You try
allowance mba hwe mba eno a se me wo.
Enti you na we o ma me no. Okay.
Me can't be encouraged. Me and I'm just
your interdiction letter no more was the status said they were not going to pay you.
Almost the same amount half salary, and then I am economics in my account. So every day I just go and do my small job. Naja, they tell you
half salary so Emma.
Go check your account.
Me check it. I think when I got it because me check it first April May.
Just last month.
No, last year 2024. And I made too much. Yeah, I made.
Oh, and then they said they will be an abanon.
So I'm not going
to
a permanent staff. Oh, or a permanent staff.
Oh, I catch you a bank about the phone.
Me check it. And my allowances, no me in dinner, and from 16th of January 2025. And I easy case they are no longer interested in the case. But from that, my lawyer.
My reason, sir, so many interested.
My reason, yeah.
And why so many interested?
Yes. And I judge a discharge case no. Or discharge and the next day, and I'm a lawyer. Trauma almost say, Society, moving stating a woman the benefiting now 2 times up to now. I'm gonna reply any of the letters.
No, a prosecutor and the Becareful will say, easy say, or they are not interested in the case.
Yes, it's easy, but I don't know about always come on.
They represent
easy. And on the say, also what easy they don't even mind him.
Prosecutor,
or see him minding the pool. And apart from that, he wanted to conduct his own investigation. They didn't allow him. And your leadership, I pray you grant him your camp of visa. Now, Yamanko, now Onoka bread.
Hey, now you see lawyer question, I don't know why.
Obedience, easy, It's in the BNC. Court from May every month. I'm up to January.
Wow.
From May 2024, me court every month is up to January 2025. Every month, and I was paying my lawyer, my chair lawyers up to and that.
I don't cry. They said there. What's your money now? Maneki can come $10 million. Why?
Yes.
Na for fatal kadosubi. Now. Interestingly, those laptops now, Irano, do you have any idea the serial numbers are what laptops?
No, I don't. I don't even know what is missing for me to even have idea. They just pick me up, say my fa, Miss Man Fashion, and to minimum share from that day. The Mensa officer up to and Dzamefe. And I don't have any idea in any of the meeting I view on.
Wow. So those other 3 guys now no count now you check them. I'm that say you use you na say.
They casual laborers.
Oh, okay, you hear one number 4. But there's a okay security guy.
There's on ofie. On Yamane Mbeduma.
I see.
Ebushanti Abranta come to we no mo de tone so say we are laptops. O de ko wi abanu ama obi. Asa o ka bi. So can be with you on what? Because social media. The day Branty court. On say Ubo Trisumwa. So we are banning and a den only. Say so we can Sanko social media or Nako can the overcome be made. Now on fire. Say years later they came out to say Bibi.
Oh, me say, I'm press conference. And they go have a baby.
Electoral Commission not say the laptop ayira more chair Branty. Or some about Tebeka say there, Bibi Anyirai. And to time I almost say I then and I. So why was this innocent young man arrested? Why was he arrested? Yet he's a semen, my laptops in Numaira. The laptops na ayira no. Definitely. Yedi ko wi abanu mama obi ema nipa bebre wo mema obi akasa obi aka de opem ka cho say ye twem asem na twem na yaka say oni isi na nkasa do abeka say the laptops bia enya nyirai eti time na no mo kasa ayira no na den na aba o mutirim ayechi obi ba innocent young man the EFCC bonka no say esa me ma tembela do ko bako
Saturday so
tembela order on national security
On a primo boss.
And I'm the confused because search me fee na Omo pen kaya trust electoral commission. Omo koso na military for kan ho omo kura to asem makum nipa. Omo kura to me do me feel hank of Mensa military for kan ho national security operatives ademi ko feel tutu ni mo na basa.
Oh yere ne ma.
Debi me ne yere ne ma.
Buniba.
Omo tutu ho na gu ho basa.
He is a boy. He didn't shoot.
But Jamie, me as I'm still me
try to me process it.
This is in near my ira. I feel no one was have a catch a gun for you and say, so why did you arrest this young man?
On no class also cause you're interested in the case again. It is saying some man one is a me see is what will be uncle who be. Ubi be as soon ho.
Debi.
And I'll see in Chia or Castle.
Debi.
Sankade no kura still ayira na yehu yan ke be kasa bi kura won ho ba yi sidan kasa so sese ni bibia nyanyirai
obokro mo say mo ye interested bi say na yefunu hia ne o me ya to ba na wie die bi wow
ojai enti Mensa odaye easy boss
no that
bini ba ma ma so dua bu ba no we that ojai ojai so you see I don't know why Mensa is still sitting there as easy boss. Okay. I said in Kachakrasi, Mamma, watch it. Minima dear pa, ye chance you never permanent free or today.
La caca.
Ah? Fimbra mini ya to about Muhammad and coach Mansa. Ehu 1992 about. But I'm to be a ye. Few mean to say easy boss be declare results 5 times. 6 times. 7 times. Mensa 2020 we declare results by 7 times.
Obi say boy.
Do you suspect any foul play?
What me back out the meeting say almost like me 5 na de ko wia abema ma obi. Me name say MPP or say NDC or say CPP I don't know.
Oh. Bibini e nipa o.
2020 Mensa. I'm still forgetting. We declare results by 6, 7 times.
Why is a Kwabibrem referee no? Kwabibrem referee no. Odi match ni ono say we dis enfun. It's your kujina be pod so. Your bobo no no dwan kujina be pod so no obo abe pro we no de share.
Ojai.
Declare results those almost 7 times.
Bibini oh.
A constituency of voter region, sir. When we hear MPR,
Ojai.
You feel say 2020 the first time. We dey one born cry nyahwe. Oba school first time no filia. Maybe a second semester obey there. Second semester dey worse.
La caca.
Ablekwa no munya MP do.
Dabi ablekwa no fear.
Ablekwa no. Yeah. Besi necessary am no kase. Wo ni MP.
Bibini oh.
But this woman is still sitting there.
Ojai.
Me. It's an I don't know. Na sini bi we person be the president Okurumada.
La caca.
Possibly, but
No, serious o.
La caca.
Omo bosses na back. So no MPP communicator.
yeah, Bono Hono, yeah, sure.
Tena radio so ni TV so. Share MPP atade the flag guru kum e defend the party do. We are say hey, okuta PhD nti ya man so hook be se kwatra yisi.
Menya Ghana ni bio. Adai. Ghana for mu sorry o. Ghana for mu sorry o.
Na mo ye wo ho no basa. Wo dey kwan ko mo fa so mo ye ballot no.
Akpalo.
Kofi Akpalo, any MPP for sasa the ballot. No be so the one mo bi abewe.
Bibini oh.
The way a course video see na about it. Say easy way pa no e correct pa. Let's call it ballot.
Me menka say mincho.
Catch me.
A day before mo arrest him no. Deputy Commissioner for Operations today. Afenyo wo oba office and oba friend on meeting say menhwe me hu ye na ase me who wants some masem. Me mu ye pa no ono no me kasa as obi a opemasem obeto like me beto no commission wo. Ya me na edwuma che. Esen tu na aka no. Enti da na obeka den se me hwe me hu ye na aya me nyanto bo ase committee a me mama no ye de bebre na me hu ya ye hi. The next day I'm bet say yes my laptop.
So what is the fundamental issue? Dear part wa kokan wo ho no mo a na ye tetew.
Yes, one say me divisional executive, me youth chairman TUC PSW. Into yeta call meeting ye ne executive na ne commissioners ne yeta hia e wo workers na mo welfare. Ne kwa aya me njeja me ho kra. Me gine ma workers ne pa me ni other executives no. Na ma no ye din. Enti no ade ate se na nsen kwa ye corporate promotion e ma staff ye promote on be say years. After that time ton promotion no o ma ye no basa bisa. Na ye ba ye fire executives no ye cock fight for promotion e ma half there ye ba be promote ye me krampo ye fight for promotion no me promotion kan fa ma me 2016 ye employee we were 2016 I was electoral commission or ye senior assembly
ye employee we were
electoral commission 2016 yeah
and over 2012 nipa na senior chair
senior chairman
me nya Ghana ni bio
me colleagues I omukra degree from 2013 eba na ewe nim sin one level.
Now between Afarijan, Charlotte Osei, and Jane Mensa, right? Amosa Mensa we know. When I na ye adwuma wo ho no mo feel say there be adwuma we dey nipa no no finching pepe.
Afarijan.
Afenyo kono se na djuma ye na
yes
Frenchim
yes onu say asem si wo isi wo na isi wo disciplinary committee e wo in house enti odubama disciplinary committee amomo di ahasa asem na e bia esosi omo a na mbe refer akose enko police station afadan emma national security officer embe fa wo officer onkoda
hello
the captain yeti hanu mo say ya na ye wo na Mr. New Mass was on my family because SMS will have to say
yes. You don't call this planning committee or in house. I'm on kind, I'm on the once you're on a boom and the crown and the queen, and the crow media committee. I requested police, the Uncle police station. Where the Anyanasa, no, me call Petra meeting me by and farm say, Yachime, national security, 6 days, and I'm a down. Easy staff Nangasa there. Brian Afeny bread omo brebi pan wat and the omo means on be come asem
Ghana for mu sorry o
bread pa the mo brebi
Ghana for mu sorry o
Jimmy yen competition ni ensesa mama yen
well I know that you meet me here but chairman my belief is yes the sound will be just like that to say CJ asemi say ye hwehwe ni nsem ni hu say wadi fo a ana say krono bi e bata de ho a Mam yes san so onko fie keke. Yes anche no.
Yes anche no.
Of course, open the general brand because of room brand so. It is the same way me Charlotte say omo ya de san na me ya. Na me ya because most Charlotte say akwa bichi isi debe whatever. It who say na krono bi bata ne ho a. Enti wa bokoro na bi enti e ma ne tran changes like that. Aba ye fa no kuko general brand. It's the same way so be yes ade ni bi na se bone bata ne ho. No wabokro no be a self-attack. Ye chinipa kron ne fa no konkotum because this innocent young man I can this is so it should any court be so we can refer to you as an innocent person. We call them for no crime I committed.
What's asuntua ne benefit?
What's asuntua ne ka? But you see boss there say ye bibi ekoto no na say ye say bibia e de ye yin sin che na ye hwehwe nin sim na say wo say we onko fie just like that. Meanwhile what you be atum for no wrongdoing.
Asabri ye ntwa so. Se me ka cho say etwam a na ye be kama na ye de. Nyame adum etwam awie. Ya sha ase. We part 1. Na ye beto asem we aso.